Alright, so this is what we got going on here. The dryer vent's venting inside the house, so we're gonna go up in the attic here. Alright, so in here, what's going on, we just detached it, but the dryer is venting right there. And it was connected to this, and it snaked down and going right back into the house. So what we're doing is we're gonna grab that dryer vent, we're gonna punch a hole through the roof right up in here somewhere, and connect the dryer jack. So that's what we got going on so far. And you can see right there, that's where the dryer was, exhausting all the lint right up there against the roof there. So up here on the roof, we've got it marked. So we're gonna go ahead and shingles off, go ahead and get a hole cut, and then go ahead and get the roof jack on, and we're gonna start routing the ductwork up to the roof jack. All right, so here's the finished job. We got it connected there, and then routed it all the way up. And the roof jack, it's sealed up pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and clean it out, the old ducting, and clean it all the way out to the transition point there, and then give it a wind velocity test, and should be good to go. She's venting good. You can feel it coming out. We did good. She's reading good numbers. We're good now here. We're gonna sign off with you, but you guys take care.